What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York, USA.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
How was your day?
It's been great so far, thank you.
Do you enjoy your job or studies?
Yes, I find it really creative and satisfying.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting, cycling, and trying out new recipes.
Do you like traveling?
Absolutely. I love visiting new countries and learning about different cultures.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is Kyoto, Japan, because of its beautiful temples and gardens.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Italian dishes are my specialty.
What's your favorite type of food?
I absolutely adore Mediterranean cuisine.
What's your favorite movie or TV show?
My favorite movie is Inception, and I enjoy watching Stranger Things.
Who is your favorite singer or band?
I'm a big fan of Adele and Coldplay.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I enjoy reading thrillers and mystery novels.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love watching and playing basketball.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a golden retriever named Max.
What's your favorite season of the year?
I love autumn because of the cozy weather and beautiful leaves.
Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?
Yes, I often go hiking on weekends.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl. I find myself more creative at night.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday because I love the festive spirit.
Do you have any special plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to go on a road trip with some friends.